Butler with the RAF Nimrod. Stu, can you tell us briefly about the history of this aircraft and how it got to be here at Bruntingthorpe?
Sure. Well, the aircraft is a Nimrod MR.2, and it was originally based at Royal Air Force Kinloss in Moray in Scotland. The RAF took the Nimrod MR.2 out of service about 3 to 4 years ago, and this was one of the aircraft that was saved from the fleet and came here to Bruntingthorpe to be an entry into the Cold War jet system, and ultimately, as you know, to taxi later in the day.
Yeah, I mean, we've got obviously these aircraft rely on the goodwill of the volunteers giving up their time to take care of them, and because they live outside all the time, they need more care than if they were sitting in a hangar in between runs. So there's hundreds of man-hours of labour going to preserving the aircraft in between these taxi days. So it's not just a matter of kicking the tyres and dragging them out and firing the engines up. There's lots and lots of work, electronics and all sorts, avionics, everything that needs to be taken care of.
Are you a die-hard av geek who loves aviation videos? Welcome to JetFlix TV, where all the aviation action is. Get the free JetFlix TV app, and you can stream and download hundreds of aircraft action videos on all your favorite devices. Sit back, relax, and start enjoying the best in aviation action movies exclusively from the crew at JetFlix TV. It's a total smoke show, and we'll see you rampside.